High contrast mode in Windows 11 is a useful part of the ease of access options. It allows people with low vision to conveniently read the screen. Some of the apps and websites may have design issues such as a gray text on a dark background, which are hardly readable for people with vision disabilities. High contrast themes use brighter colors to make text and apps more visible. Enable high contrast mode in Windows 11. To enable high contrast mode, you can use the Settings app, the Legacy Control Panel, and a special keyboard shortcut. Additionally, you can turn it on from File Explorer, Command Prompt, Windows PowerShell, and Sign-in screen. Enable high contrast mode in Windows 11 settings. Press Windows key and I keys to open the settings. Alternatively, click on Start and select Settings from the Start menu. Click on Accessibility. Click on the contrast themes on the right side. Windows 11 includes 4 contrast themes: aquatic, desert, dusk, and night sky. Each of the themes includes its unique variation of colors to satisfy as many users as possible. In the contrast themes drop-down menu, select a theme you want to apply. Click on Apply to apply the theme. Windows may display a Please wait screen for a few seconds, after which the colors on the screen change. To turn off contrast themes, select the None option from the Contrast Themes drop-down menu and then click on Apply button. Enable high contrast mode in Windows 11 using a keyboard shortcut. The easiest way to enable high contrast mode in Windows 11 is to press left alternate, left shift, and print screen keys together. Pressing this key sequence will open a confirmation dialog titled High Contrast. Click on S to turn on the high contrast mode. If you have not selected a theme previously, the aquatic theme is used by default, else the previously used theme is used. To turn off contrast themes, press left alternate, left shift, and print screen keys together. Create a custom high contrast theme. If none of the default themes work perfectly for you, you can create a new theme. In Contrast Themes settings, select a default theme. Click on the Edit button. You can modify the color of these screen elements. Background. The background of nearly all text you see in Windows or on a web page. Text. Nearly all text you see in any Windows apps or on a web page. Hyperlinks. All hyperlinks you see in any Windows apps or on a web page. Disabled text. Text that would normally be grayed out, for example, when you cannot select a specific option or button. Selected text. Any selected text, menu item, or option. Button text. Text on any buttons that contains text. Click on the color square to open Color Picker. Select a new color by clicking on the Color Picker palette. Adjust the selected color's brightness using the slider under the palette and select Done. The preview of the color changes are shown in the window. Make all the color changes for other elements you want. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, save the theme. To save the theme, click on Save As. Name the theme, click on Save and Apply. A new theme is created and applied. Open the browser window to see the new theme. The newly created theme is added to the Contrast Themes drop-down. Delete a custom theme. In the Contrast Themes drop-down, select the custom theme. Click on Delete. The theme is deleted. If you select a default theme, Delete button is grayed out. Enable high contrast mode from File Explorer. You can switch to one of these themes using File Explorer. All you need to do is to click on the appropriate .theme file. Open File Explorer. Go to this folder. All the default theme files are stored in this folder. Double-click on one of the theme files to apply the theme. Once you click on it, Windows 11 will set the high contrast theme and open the Settings app. Close the Settings app. Enable high contrast mode from Command Prompt. Press Windows and R keys to open Run command. Enter CMD and press OK. Command prompt opens. Type this command. Instead of the hc1.theme, change the contrast theme file according to your requirement. Press enter. Windows 11 will enable high contrast. Enable high contrast mode from Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell. Type this command. Change the contrast theme file according to your requirement. Press enter. Windows 11 will enable high contrast mode. Close the settings app that automatically opens. Enable high contrast mode from control panel. The personalization settings in the control panel are still there in Windows 11. You cannot access them from the main control panel screen. Instead, you need to use the Run box. Open Run box and enter this value. Click on OK. Personalization window in control panel opens. Scroll down and click on the high contrast theme to apply. Enable high contrast mode from sign-in screen. On the sign-in screen, select your user account. Click on the accessibility button in the bottom right corner. Enable the high contrast option from the menu that opens. Previously selected theme is used. You can now continue signing into Windows 11 with high contrast enabled. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.